Welcome to this sacred Libra full moon ritual. If you are here, your soul was guided to remember its balance, its power, and its abundance. Together, we're releasing scarcity from our minds, bodies, and energy, and calling in wealth, love, and divine alignment. If you are ready, take a deep breath with me. Let's begin by cleansing our space. Light your sage, palo santo, or incense and move it around your body. And as you do, say, I release all energy that is not mine. I call in peace, harmony, and prosperity. Feel the air around you shift. Feel yourself stepping into a ritual. Now, light your white candle or your pink candle to activate Libra's energy of grace and harmony. And then, light your green or your golden candle to welcome abundance and wealth in all forms. Feel their flames as mirrors of your inner light. You are worthy of more. You are becoming more. Let's open that door. On a piece of paper, write down the scarcity, fear, or beliefs that you are ready to release. The ones that say, I can't, I'm not enough, I have to struggle. Now read those out loud, one by one. And after each, say, thank you for teaching me, and I release you with love. Place the paper in water, or you can burn it safely, knowing it's leaving your field. Feel the space it leaves behind. Breathe in that space. Now, write your abundance affirmations. These are your new truths. Say them out loud. I am magnetic to money, miracles, and magic. Abundance flows to me with ease. I receive because I am worthy. Place rose petals or crystals on your words. Let them charge with beauty and with love. Close your eyes and imagine a golden scale in front of you. One side holds fear and lack. The other, joy and abundance. Watch the scale balance. Watch it overflow with light. That light is you. That flow is your natural state. Breathe it in. Feel your soul remembering you were never meant to struggle, you were meant to shine. This ritual is complete. The energy is sealed. You are in divine alignment. Keep your affirmations near. Repeat them daily. Act like it's already yours. And if this ritual spoke to your soul, follow me for more guidance. We rise together, and your elevation starts within. Until next time, trust your path, honor your rhythm, and stay open to the abundance already on its way.